Pranam. Everywhere we are only listening the news of COVID-19. So here I am going to talk about three very important pranayams: Bhastrika, Kapalabhatis and the Anuloma Viloma. I'm Suja, yoga trainer for the past 15 years. So the first pranayam is Bhastrika, which is nothing but inhaling deeply and exhaling deeply to improvise the lung capacity. So here we start. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. We can do this pranayam at least for the counts of 10 to 11 to start with. The second main pranayam is called as the Kapalabhati pranayama, or the king of the pranayams, which is nothing but active exhalation from the nostrils. So it goes like this. So if you are a beginner in yoga, you can start with 20 strokes. And if you're already in yoga, you can start with 100 strokes. The third main pranayam is called as the Anuloma Viloma pranayama, basically managing the energies, protecting the energies and keeping our immune calm, serene. So to start, you have to close the right nostril with your right thumb. Breathe in through the left. Close your left nostril, breathe out through the right nostril. Breathe in through the right. Close the right nostril and breathe out through the left. This is one round of your Anuloma Viloma pranayama. You should do at least the rounds of 10 to 11, at least twice in a day. Then we can end the pranayama sessions by the divine Omkaras. For this, you need to take a deep breath, and as you exhale out, you need to chant the mantra of Omkara. This will not only protect you, your aura, yourself, it will also protect your family, your kids, your near and dear ones. You can start at the count of 3 to 5 and you can continue with a long chanting up till 20-21 rounds. So, inhale. Let's fight the COVID-19 together. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay protective. Om Namah Shivaya. Pranam.